Well, let's head on over to Yahoo Finance's Dani Romero. She's in our newsroom. Dani, construction. Those jobs didn't show much progression last month. Your biggest takeaways on the sector?
Brad, if you're still looking for a construction job, you're hired. Yes, this report wasn't as strong as many analysts were expecting. They were expecting 15,000 to 25,000 jobs added in this sector. There still remains a lot of job openings overall. But what really stood out to me, where we saw most of the boost, was in the heavy and civil engineering. Remember, those jobs are our highways, our streets, our dams, our bridges, our airports. And that really got a big boost from the Infrastructure Investments and Jobs Act. Brookings reported that $306 billion out of the $850 billion that was awarded for these investment projects. So we definitely saw a big gain there. About 3,300 jobs were added in that. That really stood out to me. There was some weakness on the residential building side overall, which is a very interesting dynamic on what's going on. Could show that some developers are pulling back, whether that's multifamily or residential single family. I mean, single family, if we look at the reports, that there are still a big number of starts that are starting. So, there could have been some pullback there. Another thing, just to wrap this all up, non-residential specialty contractors, there is some risk ahead in that department. Developers, like we said, are pulling back. Some of the higher interest rates has really been impacting them on that front. We did see some weakness there. Like I said, they lost about 800 jobs. But again, the specialty trade contractors, if we look at the residential side, they saw about 2,700 jobs added there. And those jobs are our framing, roofing, pouring concrete, pouring into our foundation of a home. So definitely there was some momentum there. So that could be some good news looking ahead, Brad.
All right, Dani, appreciate the breakdown there. All things construction, very watched sector here, especially within this report. Appreciate it.